This video has been brought to you by Pro Bono Students Canada's Family Justice Centre. This video contains general legal information and not legal advice. Please consult with a lawyer for legal advice regarding your specific matter. In this video, we will explain how to ask the court for permission to serve your documents on the other party in a way that is different from what the family law rules require. This is known as substituted service. Service is the process of giving a copy of your court documents to the other party or other party's lawyer. There are two types of service under Rule 6 of the Family Law Rules: regular and special service. Regular service means that you can serve documents by sending them to the other party or to their lawyer in any of the following ways. Most court documents can be served by regular service. Certain documents must be served by special service. For example, an application, motion to change, and contempt motion must be served by special service. For special service, you cannot serve the documents yourself. They must be served by someone else who is 18 or older. You can ask a family member or friend to serve the documents on your behalf. You can also hire a professional process server to serve the documents. For more information on the difference between regular and special service, please refer to the Family Justice Centre's video on issuing, serving, and filing your court documents. If you cannot locate the other party to serve them by either regular or special service, you need to ask the court for an order for substituted service. To ask the court to make an order for substituted service, you need to fill out a Form 14B motion and a Form 14A affidavit. We will go over both forms section by section and explain how to fill them out when you are asking the court to make an order allowing you to serve your court documents by substituted service. Form 14B and Form 14A can be found at the website on the screen, or simply Google Ontario Family Law Court Forms. Let's get started. Fill in the name of the court and its address. Fill in the court file number. Check the I am making this motion box. Fill in the names of the parties. Fill in the name of the applicant and the respondent. This is important. The applicant is the same party who was the applicant in the original application or the original motion to change, and the respondent is the same party who was the respondent in the original application or the original motion to change, no matter who is filing the 14B motion. For the next scheduled court date, you will put not applicable unless the court you are at requires a date, or if you were given a specific date to request the order for substituted service. Fill in the name of your case management judge if any. Check the box indicating whether you are the applicant or the respondent. The three options under this motion is made cover the three circumstances under which a 14B motion can be brought to court. Select without notice to and add the other party's name if you are asking for an order for substitute service, because you cannot locate the other party in order to serve them. The other options will only apply in exceptional circumstances. Tell the court what order you are seeking in simple and clear language. In the example on the screen, you are asking to serve the other party with your application by Facebook Messenger. We are now on page 2 of Form 14B. Remember to include the court file number on page 2 as well. After telling the court that you are seeking an order for substitute service, you will need to explain the reasons why. You will also need to provide proof of your explanation in a separate Form 14A affidavit. The rule on which you are relying in addition to Rule 14(10) is the Family Law Rule 6(15). Consult with a lawyer for any other laws or rules you may have to include. We are now on page 3 of Form 14B. Remember to include the court file number on page 3 as well. Fill in your own contact information and the last known contact information of the other party. Complete the form by signing and dating it at the bottom. To support your request for an order for substitute service, you will need to provide the court with a sworn document called a Form 14A affidavit. Your affidavit will explain the reasons for your request in simple and clear language. For example, if you cannot locate the other party, you will tell the court what unsuccessful attempts you have made to find an address for the other party and any attempts you made to serve the other party at their last known address. A judge will not make this order without detailed information about your situation. Attach proof of your attempts to service as exhibits to the affidavit. For example, if you attempted to search for the other party through Facebook, and the search was unsuccessful, you should include a printout of the screen telling you that the search was unsuccessful. Or if you tried to mail or email the other party the documents, and the mail or email gets returned to you, you should include the unsuccessful delivery notice as an exhibit. Form 14A affidavit is evidence and must be sworn or affirmed. When you swear or affirm an affidavit, you are promising that the information in the document is true. You will need to sign it in front of a lawyer, justice of the peace, notary public, or a commissioner for taking affidavits. It is against the law to not tell the truth when swearing or affirming an affidavit. You have now completed your 14B motion for substituted service and Form 14A affidavit. For detailed, step-by-step instructions on how to fill out the 14B motion form to ask for substitute service, please visit the Steps to Justice website and follow its guided pathways. A link to the website is in the description box. Thank you to our sponsors and thank you for watching.